All right, we're here with Paolo from LoyalCoin. Nice to meet you. So why is LoyalCoin on blockchain?
Well, you know what, we figured that the problem we're trying to solve would be customers have too many loyalty programs to track. Some of these points expire, right, and they don't know where you use them. So what we try to figure out is what problem are we trying to solve, and do we need the blockchain to solve it?
Right.
So now that you put loyalty programs on a blockchain, it now becomes a global application.
Okay, great. So why should merchants sign up? Why should
That's a great question, because some people will be thinking, why would I give you customers LoyalCoin when they're going to use it elsewhere? But you create a network effect, essentially, wherein you're giving customers cryptocurrency for free, right? And then because of the loyal coalition we're forming, you're now able to attract customers from all over the world to the merchant. So it becomes very attractive for them.
Right, nice. So can you tell us a little bit about your track record?
Right, so we've been in the loyalty space since 2013. And way back then, we tried to construct loyalty programs as a marketing tool. We have proprietary analytics so that business owners can make proper business decisions, especially when it comes to customers, customer segments. We do push notifications. We can do standalone POS or integrate into existing POS. And it's been a great ride so far. We're in the middle of ICO, and we're going to be ending on Feb 10. And yeah, we hit our soft cap of $12 million a few days ago. We're hitting hard cap, $19 million in a couple of days, and it's crazy. So what we do is we create LoyalCoin, which goes into the Loyal wallet, which now can be used in loyal merchants that form the Loyal Coalition. Cheesy, but it works.
Great. And how can you cash out your reward?
Well, cashing out is, of course, depends on the country you're from, right? But for example, here in America, how do people with Bitcoin cash out? We'll make it simple. So we have a Loyal wallet which is capable of converting your cryptocurrency, your LoyalCoin, into Bitcoin, Ethereum, or ZEM. So all you gotta do, convert to Bitcoin, go to wherever you do your cash out for Bitcoin, and you can figure that out, yeah.
And do you have any plans for the future?
Oh, lots of plans. So we end the ICO on Feb 10. Immediately after that, we try to get listed on the major exchanges. And then the Loyal wallet comes out sometime April. So from your NEM wallet, it goes into the Loyal wallet. Then you can use it all over with the merchants. Now, our partner is NEM Foundation, and they're an awesome partner. So they're helping us with a multi-sig smart contract that's with Catapult coming out in a couple of months.
Great. Well, we wish you the best, and thank you for your time.
Excellent. Thanks so much.